In a nutshell, RetargetApp does two things. It saves your time and helps you sell more. To get started, you need to have a store powered by WooCommerce, have at least 3 products that are allowed for promotion on Facebook, and get at least 100 daily visitors to your store, otherwise there will be no one to retarget. Got it all? Let's learn how to install RetargetApp on WooCommerce. In your store dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type RetargetApp. When RetargetApp integration for WooCommerce pops up in the search results, click Install Now on it. Enter the FTP credentials if necessary. Once the plugin is installed, click on the red Activate button. This is where you start setting up your account. Review our privacy policy and press Continue. Starting from here, just follow the on-screen tips. You will need to log in with Facebook, choose a Facebook page, accept the invitation to the Business Manager, connect the payment method for your newly created Facebook ad account, set the daily budget, review the ad message we offer or set yours, add a card you will use to pay RetargetApp fee, and submit your campaign for approval. If you got a question or want to learn more about ad opportunities, our support specialists are only one click away. Just open the chat window and send us a message. RetargetApp does two things. It saves your time and helps you sell more. Try it today and enjoy a 14-day free trial.